Amazon is lobbying for cannabis legalization on the federal level, and Connecticut medical cannabis patients can now grow their own medicine starting October 1st, just in time for Halloween. This is Garrett Veriheal, keeping you up to date on the latest in cannabis news. Amazon is lobbying for cannabis to be legal because, as they said it makes hiring easier. Amazon announced publicly, as quoted, "Given our previous support for legalizing cannabis at the federal level, as well as expunging certain criminal records and investing in impacted businesses and communities, Amazon recently announced our support for and began actively lobbying on the Marijuana Opportunity Reinvestment and Expungement Act. So far, Amazon has spent at least $5 million in lobbying efforts." Furthermore, Amazon made the announcement that workers and applicants who were barred or fired for using cannabis can now be hired. The company has relaxed its standards for cannabis after recognizing a growing number of states are legalizing marijuana. Amazon said they will still do impairment checks on the job and will test for drugs and alcohol after any incident. The only job candidates Amazon will screen for cannabis are positions working with heavy machinery, regulated by the Department of Transportation. Amazon has urged Congress to expunge federal nonviolent marijuana crimes and allow for resentencing of any individuals currently serving time in federal prison for crimes related to cannabis. And lastly, if you're 18 years old in Connecticut, you're now allowed to grow your own medicine. Beginning on October 1st, medical cannabis patients in Connecticut can grow 6 plants individually and up to 12 plants regardless of the number of adults living in the home. The reforms also outlaw giving cannabis to a domesticated animal, which could lead to a misdemeanor charge. The law is also separate from the adult use legalization law that was approved in June. That law will allow adults 21 and older to grow their own cannabis starting in July 2023. So in short, if you're 18 years old, you can start growing October 1st, 2021 if you're a medical patient. If you use it recreationally and you're 21, you have to wait until July of 2023. The laws going into effect in Connecticut will have further restrictions on tobacco use and smoke, including the banning of smoking in previously allowed establishments. So go ahead and like this video and give us a follow at Veriheal to keep you up to date on the latest in cannabis news. Thanks for watching.